global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings today. When it comes to the issue of Nnamdi Kanu, it is now a global phenomenon. A lot of people are watching how Nigeria will come out of this whole thing. Well, as we speak, groups upon groups have decided to give this note of warning, not just to the Nigerian government, but as many that are following the case. But before we go into the news proper, I'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, the Igbo Youth Mandate, that's IYM, has expressed its fears following the rising global attention attracted by the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, that's Nnamdi Kanu's continued detention, warning that its consequences may overwhelm the country. It advised the federal government to use dialogue and political solutions to effect its unconditional release, which it also added will dose the increasing security situation in Southeast. IYM, in a statement by its national president, Neji, also urged the President Muhammadu Buhari, to adopt the same measures used by late Musa Yar'Adua and Goodluck Ebele Jonathan in resolving Niger Delta militancy to agitations of IPOB. The wave of insecurity in Southeast is increasing to an alarming rate. This is not unconnected with the continued detention of the indigenous people of Biafra, the leader Nnamdi Kanu, by the federal government of Nigeria. We call on the President Muhammadu Buhari to see reasons to release Nnamdi Kanu from detention unconditionally. This will reduce increasing tension and insecurity in the Southeast. And Naji said, dialogue and a political solution is the best approach to resolve the issue of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, and their agitations. The Nigerian government should understand that the indigenous people of Biafra under Nnamdi Kanu is now a global issue, and discussing it will help. The use of coercion and government institutions to clamp down on indigenous people of Biafra agitators cannot bring a lasting solution. With the growing support and sympathy the indigenous people of Biafra movement is gaining in Nigeria and the international community, if the peaceful approach is not adopted in resolving the crisis, the federal government of Nigeria may be overwhelmed and find herself in a state of dilemma, Neji lamented. The group has also appealed to the President Muhammadu Buhari, to implore his party, the All Progressive Congress, as well as the People's Democratic Party, PDP, to zone its presidential ticket to the Southeast against the 2023 election. According to him, the ceding of the presidency to a person of Southeast extraction will certainly entrench stability, unity, and national development in Nigeria. We call on other elder statesmen, opinion leaders, political leaders, all ethnic nationalities, and patriotic Nigerians to support or to totally support the making of Nigerian president of Southeast extraction come 2023. We also appeal to our northern leaders and aspirants that are aspiring for the president to see reasons to withdraw from the race in order to maintain the north and the south political understanding that has been in place since 1999. As patriotic Nigerians, any meaningful thing that can enhance national integrity, national integration, unity, stability, and progress of Nigerian Federation should supersede personal interest and ambition, the release stated. This has, of course, garnered a lot of reactions, and we're going to see, go through them in no particular order. This one here is saying, no more Nigeria elections in Biafra land. You guys should take note. Release Nnamdi Kanu and give us referendum. This one here is saying, yes, IPB, please continue what you are doing. Be bringing down people in the east, please. destroy every structure, both public and private. Please set the whole place on fire between yourselves. No, this is funny. Hmm. So I think we should be talking more intelligently on social media sometimes. It helps to reduce the polity, as in it's better you talk sanely. Right now, Nigeria is going through a lot. We don't need to go through bigotry at all. Can you see we all are facing this insecurity one way or the other? And like the northern professor said, so no one will solve Nigerian problem except Nigerians themselves. This one here is saying, I pity Buhari for keeping MNK in DSS dungeon. In DSS, there will be a division soon. Hausa DSS versus Fulani DSS, Yoruba DSS versus Fulani DSS, Igbo DSS. But that may not be how it works. If you check the military, they have trained them to go beyond ethnicity. They are to, whenever they come into a place, they think of the nation first before the ethnicity. In fact, they are seen as Nigerians before they even see themselves as a Nigerian Yoruba or Nigerian Igbo. And I feel that in the case of DSS as a security agency, I think that also applies. Even though by now, those who went for Sunday Igboho and the rest would not have gone for Sunday Igboho. Maybe before they would even go to get Sunday Igboho, maybe Sunday would have gotten intel and they would know that it's coming from them. So I think they understand the dynamics, the orientation of the nature of their job. So I don't accept when Nigeria is totally gone, that's when you begin to hear those things. But for now, I think they're still united. I doubt if they will even be separated. I'm talking about the security agencies now, because the young man here saying very soon we'll be having Yoruba DSS, Igbo DSS, which I strongly doubt. I think they're like the military of some sort. Well, this one here is saying IYM, or whatever you call yourselves, you can't do more than what Ojukwu did and ran away to Cote d'Ivoire. So stop saying what you can't do. You should remember that no group is bigger than this country called Nigeria. So, if it happens, you will start saying the military is bringing down innocent people in the southeast. There are things you do diplomatically and not by making so much noise. Are you IYM stronger than Ukraine or Russia? So stop boasting, please. This one here is saying, please release Nnamdi Kanu. We love him more than Nigeria. Simple. My God. This one here is saying, yes, it is you people. Continue. Another person here is saying, why I respect the colonial masters of old? And because the whole places where they mounted headquarters, hardly you can see anybody changes them. They have shared Nigeria to autonomous regional systems for every region to grow on at its own pace. But since the wisest people of Nigeria tampered with it, there haven't been any progress and peace in this country. And if failed to go back to the 1963 arrangement, Nigeria can never move forward. Sometimes someone should ask questions on the amount money we make from oil, still nothing to show for it because the foundation has been tampered with. I guess that's going to wrap it up. Let's